Every April, like-minded people with a keen sense for aesthetic and valuable things in life meet at Swissvax headquarters in Switzerland. And like many other international successful Swiss companies, also we are proud of having anchored our spirit in the world with our high-quality products.
Here we will have this year's main partner, Blancpain. Blancpain's timepieces stand for the values that drive them: emotion, authenticity, and passion. As they also have a special status in the automotive race scene, a very special Lamborghini can be admired at their stand.
Sie haben Fragen zu den Produkten? Wir haben die Zeit und beraten Sie gerne vor Ort am Open House.
TCS, Touring Club der Schweiz, is a name and institution that is enjoying a reputation of being very competent and capable. Inform yourself about their sports driving safety training for the ultimate safety on the racetrack.
Zum ersten Mal werden dieses Jahr die Produktepräsentationen draußen präsentiert. Wir zeigen richtige Fahrzeugwäsche, Interieurpflege, Felgenpflege und so weiter. Kommen Sie vorbei und bestaunen Sie die Präsentationen.
The last couple of years, electrically powered vehicles have been offered to test drive. This year we are going back to the roots with possibilities of test driving the high-performance cars of Alpina, made available by Heidecker, AMG, sponsored by Kenny's, and the Audi RS models by Heinz Stern AG.
Hier ist unser beliebter Helppoint, wo Sie gerne vorbeikommen können und sich beraten lassen und helfen vor Ort.
Also has been a partner last year, Wellauer AG again will be at your service with a cozy corner where you can indulge in a whiskey and a cigar.
If you are already familiar with Swissvax products, then you know what to expect from these mind-blowing products. If not, prepare yourselves for a new and extraordinary dimension in car and boat care. We show you of what even the most demanding car manufacturers in the premium segment are all excited about.
NDB Free will be welcoming you. Wireless charging devices for your smartphones. Fixed by magnetic technology, there's no fiddling around while driving.
Hier steht die Creme de la Creme am Open Day. Kommen Sie vorbei und bewundern Sie die Fahrzeuge von unseren Kunden.
Do you need your leather freshened up, repaired or recolored? Lederzentrum is a strong partner when it comes to what is best for your leather. Be our guest at our open house when we have presentations on how to repair, refresh and recolor your leather.
Orangenhaut hat jedes Fahrzeug. Kommen Sie vorbei, wir helfen Ihnen gerne und beraten Sie.
having been a good partner, especially after our fire back in 2013, AXA Winterthur will be present here with a stand where you can find out if they can be a good partner for you too.
Dieses Jahr haben wir hier eine große Überraschung, ein Fahrzeug, das Sie nicht jeden Tag auf der Straße sehen. Es lohnt sich, vorbeizukommen.
Heard about car sharing? Well, our partner Ganz here will take it to the next level. Visit them at their stand and learn more about the possibilities of their boat sharing services. Come together with other boat enthusiasts at shared expenses.
We invite you to be our guest at our Swissvax Open House in Vetlanden on the shores of Lake Greifensee. Enjoy interesting talks with friends and aficionados, a large variety of drinks and food, instructive product demonstrations and exciting presentations of our exhibiting partners as well. Welcome and let's enjoy!